Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear students, our Unit 6 Air written work is going on. Today we will do question number 4. I hope you are ready with your science notebooks. So let's start today's lesson. Dear students, in the previous lessons, we have learnt much about all the uses of air, that how much air is useful for us as living beings, and in many things we need to fill air with. First of all, I have to recall all the previous lessons that we have learned about the uses of air. We have learned that we need air to breathe in as living being, as human being, and for plants and for animals, air is very much needed to breathe in, because there are many gases by which the air is made up of. Air is made up of many gases, you have learned. So one of the very much useful gas that is included in the air is oxygen gas. Yes, so oxygen gas, in the presence of oxygen gas, we can breathe properly. We can breathe, we can say. So in the presence of that oxygen gas, because when we inhale, we fill up our lungs with that oxygen gas. So it is very much necessary, important for us to breathe in. In other uses of air, we have learned that the balloons you are very much excited to play with and you like to play with balloons. Yes, you fill the balloons with air. Okay, when you fill the balloons with air, only then you can play with these balloons. Okay, and the next thing in which you have to fill the balloon is your footballs, your colorful air balls. Yes, they also need to be filled by the air. If you will fill air in your football or your air ball, only then you can play with these balls. So air is useful for us if we need to, if we want to play with a ball. The ball is not of any use without air, you know. So the next thing to that is tires. That's it, tires. Tires can be of your bicycle, of your motorbike, of your cars, of buses, and many other things. They have tires. These tires are to be filled with air. Yes, with flat tires you cannot go anywhere, you know, children. So we have to fill air in the tires to go anywhere. Yes. Okay, dear students, so we have learned all these things during explanation. Now in this question, that is question number 4 of your Unit 6 air, and all of you, I hope, prepare with your science notebooks. Today what we will do is we will write the question and we will do drawing also. Yes, we will draw colorful pictures on the science notebook, and I hope you all will enjoy the lesson today, that we have to draw colorful things that need air. You have to write and draw the names of any 4 things that need air. Yes, so draw the margin line, write down the date, and write down Unit 6 air, question number 4, and the question is write the names of 4 things, any 4 things that need air. Okay, and the 4 things, and the answer is, can you tell me? Yes, living things or living beings. And in living things, you know, human beings, plants and animals are included in living beings. These are the living things in the entire universe. All the human beings, all the plants and all the animals are living beings. Okay, so living beings need air to breathe in. Yes, and in rest of the 3 things, you can ride tires, you can ride football, and you can ride balloons. Yes, and what you have to do is, you have to draw all the things you are writing. For example, if you are writing living things, then you can draw any human being, like any kid. It is difficult to draw, but try to draw it. If you cannot, leave it. You can draw any easy animal speck. You can draw any plant speck, colorful plant speck. These are also living things. So it is done. Then you have written balloons. Then you have to draw. It is very much easy to draw balloons. So draw the colorful balloons in your notebook. Then with 3rd point, that is football, you can draw any air ball or football on your notebook, and it is very easy to draw a football or air ball. You can use any round cap or anything round at your home. You can find anything easily, I know. So you can draw a circle with the help of that round thing, and then you can draw any pattern inside that circle. That will be your football, and color it. Then the next thing is tire. In the same way, you can draw a circle with the help of any round thing, and you have to draw 2 circles, outside and inside, and then you have to color it black or dark gray to make it a tire's pattern also. So that's it. Okay, you will enjoy drawing and writing and doing this work. So do it, complete it, and I will check it on the very next day, in the very next class. Okay, so dear student, that's it for today's lesson. Allah Hafiz for today, and take care.